Hi, my name is Bailey Pendergrass, and this is my play Prop Box. My subject or theme for the box was bugs and insects. I really wanted to emphasize the importance of exploring the outdoors and the different things that live outside. So in my box, I've got a bunch of different stuff to help children develop socially, cognitively, emotionally, physically, and develop their literacy skills. So let's dive right in. One of my first items in my box are flowers. While these aren't bugs, they're very important to things that live in nature, like bees. So I thought it was really great and a good way to add variety to the box to include some flowers. Also, I've got different kinds of flowers. Let's see. Also, I've got some leaves. Again, these aren't bugs, but they're equally important in nature because certain kind of leaves make great food for bugs or a great place to live, or they're just very important in nature. So I included them. Then to dive right into our bugs, I've got some spiders. Now these aren't probably the color that you'll see in nature, but it's a good way for students to get to see the size and the shape and the feel and the look of a spider, and to get some hands-on different feel of the different textures and that kind of stuff. Then I've also got some pictures of certain insects that I wanted to include but wasn't able to find a picture of, or to find actual figurines of. This is a bee, and bees are very important to learn about. Some students are scared of bees because they don't want to get stung, but really bees are important, and so I wanted to make sure to include these so we could have that discussion on bees and also include spiders. Spiders are very important to us, and that is one of the components I wanted to include because students are able to having these different conversations about bees and spiders, things that can come across scary, raising awareness and letting them know about these bugs and these insects and why they're in nature and why it's important is very helpful and helps develop their social skills. Socially and emotionally, they're able to really look into what's going on and why these are in nature and why you shouldn't be afraid. You should just kind of respect them and let them do their thing. Anywho, next I also have some worms. These are my little worm pipe cleaners. I really wanted to find actual fake plastic worms, but I was not able to, so these were the next best thing. I really think these are fun because students are able to kind of pull them apart if they want. They can really get a feel for the circle and that kind of stuff. So that's why I included these. Then in my box, I've also got some grass. This is made of some crepe paper that I found on the decorating aisle at Walmart for parties. I wanted to include these to let students feel and see kind of like grass can be textured, and they're different sizes, different shapes, different kinds of grass. So that can also lead to a great conversation about that and help them develop more cognitive awareness for types of grass and types of bugs and flowers that we talk about with this box. I also thought it would be really cool that while they're playing with the grass, even though they're different sizes, they can get the grass and they can make letters and spell out different insects that are included in the box, or they can spell out flowers or grass or anything like that, leaves even. But I included these so they could use this as a tool to create letters or words. And that is a great way for them to develop more literacy and language development. And then I've also got, for some fine motor skills and physical skills for the box, I included a pair of tongs. I originally wanted to do some child safe tweezers, but I had a really hard time finding those without going to like a specialty store for education. So these were really great, super easy to find at Walmart. But I included them because I thought it was really great for the students to be able to investigate the box if they have sensory disorders or do not want to touch the items in the box. They're able to use these tweezers to grab the items without having to actually touch them. So they're still able to be involved and investigate. And I also thought was really great for them to use hand-eye coordination and develop those skills. So using these tweezers, students can pick up the worms in the box or the flowers or other bugs that are in the box, leaves. So anyway, this is my box, and I thought it was a really great way for students to learn about nature and to develop more awareness for the things that surround us, the insects, the leaves, and the flowers. Thank you for watching.